A trial behind closed doors. In this court, it is Kurdish, not Syrian law that prevails. 3 anti-terrorist judges are trying this former Islamic State group member. It's the first time journalists have been allowed to attend such a trial. The accused appears before the court alone, without a lawyer.
Because of the war, we have not had the opportunity of training lawyers to defend the accused. It is true that this is an important shortcoming on our part, but our laws and our autonomous constitution recognize the right of defense as a sacred right throughout the northern region of Syria. It is only a matter of time before we have lawyers to defend the accused in this court. Were you with Daesh?
Yes, I was with Daesh.
Fearing for their lives, these judges asked to remain anonymous. To deliver their verdict, they rely on reports by Kurdish military services.
Who was your instructor?
Abu Ubaid al-Ansari.
Where was he from?
He was from Aden.
There is no death penalty in Syrian Kurdistan. The maximum sentence that can be awarded by the courts is life imprisonment. Today, the defendant is sentenced to 3 years in jail. He won't be able to appeal, but depending on his good behavior, he could be granted a remission. The convict will serve his sentence in this prison in Qamishli. We were allowed to film inside. These are rare images. Officials want to keep the plans of the prison a secret. More than 300 jihadists are detained here. Prison officers say they're given enough to eat and are treated well.
The most severe punishment is to place them in solitary confinement for 1 or 2 days, so they have time to think. Then we send them back to their cells. We never insult or beat them. Torture is strictly prohibited.
In this workshop, the prisoners learn about the values of Syrian Kurdistan. For some, it's an opportunity for re-education, getting familiar with the ideas of Abdullah Öcalan, the founder of the PKK, and the ideological leader of Kurdish fighters in Syria.